Comparing the capabilities of Russia's Su-57 and the United States' S-35 stealth-enabled fifth-generation fighter jets is an interesting exercise. Moreover, these two stealth fighters are predicted to be the mainstay of Russian and U.S. air power. The Sukhoi Su-57 stealth-capable fifth-generation fighter jet was developed by Sukhoi for the Russian Air Force. Previously, this fighter jet was named Pakva. It is planned to replace the MiG-29 Fulcrum and Su-27 flanker fighter jets in the Russian air defense system. F-35 Lightning. Tai is a family of stealth multi-role fighters made by Lockheed Martin. Single-seat, single-engine aircraft is intended to perform air superiority and strike missions for the United States Air Force. Quoted from the Bulgarian military website, Mark Episkopos, who holds a doctorate in history and frequently analyses Russian military technology, said that the Russian Su-57 is very well armed and retains a large number of air-to-air missiles as well as anti-ship missiles. For F-35 Lightning will lagging behind in missile armament compared to the Su-57. We received new options for the selection of new missiles and bombs, including the B-61 Mod 12 with nuclear gravity bombs. The Su-57 fighter jet has one definite advantage over its competitor, the F-35, which is the use of Okhotnik drones. The Su-57 fighter jet has the ability to collaborate with Okhotnik drones to penetrate enemy air defenses and launch bombing runs. Su-35 is equipped with a powerful nuclear gravity bomb. That's an advantage if the enemy doesn't have one. In fact, Russia also has nuclear gravity bombs, so it can be a counterweight. Russian action experts from Utro.ru claim that the Okhotnik attack drone is one that can be armed with the equivalent of the US B-61 Mod 12 bomb, as it is designed for massive airstrikes. However, so far, there is no official information that Okhotnik was tested with a nuclear gravity bomb. Quoted from 1945, the Su-57 fighter jet is certainly a larger aircraft than the F-35. The Su-57 is 72.2 feet long, or 21.8 feet longer than the F-35, which is only 50.4 feet long. Likewise, the Su-57's wingspan is also much larger. The Su-57 weighs 47.86 pounds empty, and the F-35 weighs 29.2 pounds. Of course, the heavy weight comes at the expense of agility in flight, even though both aircraft are not heavy bombers. The larger fuselage and wings also mean it makes it a bigger target. The Su-57 can fly at maximum speed of 1660 miles per hour, or 2600 per hour, while the F-35 maximum speed is 1199 miles per hour, 1929 per hour. So technically, the Su-57 can attack first and escape. Moreover, the Su-57's flying range is more than double at around 3C100 miles, while the F-35 with a range of 1379 miles. However, the F-35 is believed to have better stealth capabilities. This means the F-35 can target its enemy even before it is spotted. Once the Su-57 cannot strike first if it cannot see the F-35. However, Russia has the S-400 Triumph and SV-500 Prometheus air defense systems to track stealth fighters. In recent years, the S-400 has performed well in tracking stealth fighters.